Right, hello everyone, this is my wife and she's going to be cooking Diet Coke chicken from Slim World.
Then take a minute! Right, you need your ingredients, a can of Diet Coke, that's kind of close, 200 ml of chicken stock, you need 4 chicken breast portions, some mushrooms and some green beans.
Yes, sliced green beans. Yeah.
The recipe online is for sugar snap peas, is it?
Yeah. So sugar snap peas or green beans, either one.
A green pepper, a red pepper, and an onion, and then 2 tablespoons of Worcester sauce and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Then 4 tablespoons of tomato puree, 1.5 teaspoons of garlic, and 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs. That.
Right, okay. Not really.
Oh. Right.
Now here comes the best part. The yummy bit.
I've put fry light.
Okay, so there's fry light in the pan, look. And then goes the yummy.
Then you add the peppers and the onion.
I don't know how kettle's going to peppers. We're still at here, so.
I've got to, because I need it to start.
Okay. Yeah, so we can the kettle boiling. We need it for the stock.
Then you have to fry this off for 4 or 5 minutes.
On what heat setting?
Well, medium to high.
On the medium to high heat setting you've got. Take that for me, because that thing's gone funny, look. The thing's gone funny, it's because it's just knocking this way. It's alright. That's it, there you go. Now you can... Right, go around this way.
It's going to be really boring.
Lovely. Right, so then you prep your water for your pasta.
Or you can have rice.
Or rice or whatever you... Yeah, whatever you prefer. Keep having to pause this so it's not too boring for you guys, but hey ho. What?
Did you just put it on your face?
Put it over it, yeah, and put my tongue out. So it's not too boring for him. Gives him to laugh at.
Excuse me. It's 200 ml.
Let's keep stirring that for you.
Yes, please. Hello.
Looking good, look at that. Lovely. I think that's looking like it's about done now.
Hello, Lucas.
Can't see no bits in it or anything, so Here we've got a follower, look, a little man coming in for some food. Come on then, boss. Daddy pick you up. Oh. What's your mummy doing? It's cooking, look. I do just need to put your add in now. Everything's getting added in now, is it?
No.
Right now, my wife's about to add everything else. And then yummy.
Stop.
Here goes the stock. There's all the herbs and the sauces and things that go in.
Oh, I know something else in it.
What's that?
Saturn.
How many? What do you need? How much is that?
Mama.
Okay, so my wife's forgot something to add. It's passata, but she will add it. It doesn't matter. It's not important when it's added. So. Yeah. No, not one hand, but I'll have a go. It's the busy time.
Where did I put my spoon? My measuring spoons.
Where's his teapot?
Eight tablespoons of passata that I didn't forgot. Yeah, Daddy's getting it.
Where's your juice bottle, mate? I'm not going to sleep in the front. Right, let's go get your juice bottle then. Find your bottle. Go find your juice bottle.
Then the mushrooms and the bean. Mushrooms aren't on the recipe, but you know mushrooms, so I just added some. Then add the Diet Coke.
Lucas is just on my phone, and it was a straight line.
Yeah.
It's now got a couple of extra bumps in it. Don't know if you'll be able to tell, probably not. But it's got a couple of extra little. Watch the turn it off as well, buddy. See little white lights shine up. See little camels just stood on the bloody thing. Oh, I knew it.
Right, and then bring it to the boil.
Right, so this is how it's looking so far. Lovely, as you can see. Yummy, yummy, yum, yum.
Yeah.
Go.
Right, starting to boil, so I'm just going to turn it down to a really, really low heat. Cover it and leave it for 30 minutes. And that's it.
And voila. So I hope this helps, and I hope you all follow the recipe and enjoy, because it's lovely. Thank you very much.